First five questions. First question is, what are ETFs? Second question, what is prime goal or activity of hedge funds? Third question is, what's call and put? Fourth question, what's the difference between market value MV and the book value BV? Fifth question, what is the formula to find future value compounding annual growth rate? Formula you will explain of calculator as well as Excel sheet. Second four questions. What's face value? Seventh question, what's intrinsic value? Which all methods we use to get the intrinsic value? Meaning of intrinsic is inherent, built-in, basic, natural, inborn, fundamental, essential, and central. So, what is the intrinsic value in financial world? Which all methods we use to get the intrinsic value? If you will attempt this question, you will get extra marks for it, although all the questions are of the same marks. Is the market cap, next question, is the market cap and market value is the same or there is any difference? And if there is any difference, what's that? Next, ninth question, what is the formula of enterprise value? Explain it with an example. Example you should take of any listed company. If working on 3 companies will win extra marks. What's the advantage of EV? EV stands for what? Enterprise value. Can we use it for investment purpose also? 10th question. What's PE ratio? Can we make some rules for Nifty PE to buy and sell? Although for the stocks, a very high PE can also be a buy and very low PE may be a sell. But it's not in the case of Nifty, as Nifty is a diversified portfolio. When I'm talking about diversification, I'm talking about diversification in most of the terms. Most of the terms, say in the terms of the currency. If the currency price of domestic will go up, it will be an advantage to the importers and disadvantage to the exporters. When the local currency or domestic currency will devalue and the foreign currency will appreciate, then that will be an advantage to the exporters and disadvantage to the importers. Even in the terms of interest rate, if the interest rates will go up, all the cash rich company will be at advantage, and those who are leveraged company, those who have taken a huge leverage, huge debts are there, they will be at disadvantage. So it is purely diversified. They are the companies which are exporters, they are the company which are importers, they are the company which are highly leveraged, they are the company which are the cash rich. So when I'm talking about the Nifty, it is well diversified portfolio. So can we make some rules for Nifty PE to buy and sell, or at least buy and book the profit at a particular PE ratio? Next question is 11th question. Explain DuPont analysis. Is this the X-ray of companies? If yes, what is explained by this formula? Right? They are the main 3 areas which are being explained by DuPont analysis. If you know the DuPont analysis, you can make a very clear view about the company, how risky the company is, at what operating margin it is working, and so on. All right, you answer this question. This is also a very valuable question to you. It will give add a lot many thought process to your viewpoint, to your analysis. Next question is, what is coupon rate and what is current yield? Next question. And then the next question is, what is yield to maturity? So there are the three questions related to the bonds. What's coupon rate? What's current yield? What's yield to maturity? All right. When you will attempt these questions, I think you will be able to cross 40% path. 40% path of this travel of finance or travel of finance internship. All right, you all attempt all the questions. Next, what's inflation protected bonds? Next question, what's explained in Porter's 5-force model for industry analysis? What's explained in Michael Porter's 5-force model for industry analysis? Michael Porter is the hero of financial world, right? Most of the university call him for the just 1 hour, 2 hours lectures that pay him a very big amount. All right, so the what's explained in Michael Porter's 5-force model for industry analysis. He came to India also about 2-3 years back, and he said at that time the India has the young age which can really take all these young people can take India to the next level. Now this is our responsibility to work very hard to take India to the next step. Next question, what is PESTLE analysis? PESTLE analysis. What's SWOT analysis? We're talking about all fundamentals now. And please explain critical business drivers, success factors of different industries. So these are in total I think 20 questions. Yeah, these are the 20 questions. Attempt any 15 questions. Every question is of 4 marks. Total score is 60. I have just explained that there are the 2-3 questions where I can give 1 or 2 extra marks to you. So your marks can be more than 60 also. Don't worry about it. If you are attempting all the 20 questions, then you can get some extra marks. Attempt any 15 questions. And then passing marks are 44. No negative marking means need to give 11 correct answer out of 20. So this is mandatory for all the students to attempt these questions. Those who are confident in answering any particular question, make a video answering the target question or questions. You can make a video on more than one question. 1 question, 2 question, 3 question, 4 question, and same will be published on this channel. And trust me, this will, if you are presenting yourself to the world, then really will increase your confidence. And once you are going to prepare something for the world, then you do a thorough analysis, then you should not be wrong, and then that is going to increase your knowledge. It may not be helpful to any other person, but that is definitely going to help you out to upgrade yourself. We have taken this birth to upgrade on the daily basis to ourselves only. This is only the goal of our birth. There is no other goal. All right, with this, I wish you good luck. Goodbye. By next Sunday, I think you all will attempt these questions and come back with the solutions. You will put all your answers in the comment box. All right, you will put all your answers in the comment box, and then I will let you know who will check the answers, and then how you will be marked.